Hey, superstar. Hey guys, so I think it's time to give the off-road sport a little bit of love. It's been sat in the garage since I picked it up, and for those that have seen the original video, the introduction video, so for those of you that have seen the last video, you'll know this bike is a bit of a mix of parts. I don't think there is one original part on the bike, maybe apart from the Flexstem, who knows, but it should be an 89 bike and it should have a bunch of, I think it was 300 LX components on it. It's all changed. There's pace fork, Deore LX, Deore DX, Deore XT. There's a whole lot of stuff on here, but I need to get it running, and we'll see how it rides and all that jazz, and I'll just take you through it. Because cassettes are now getting to be a little bit of a rarity, especially SRAM ones, I'm going to check the chain wear, see how much we're on, and this is looking good. We're on 0.5 chain wear. Let's check out the bottom as well. Yeah, this should be good. This chain, this cassette should be good to go. There's no need to change it. That'll just be an added expense to change it, especially with prices and finding stuff at the moment. So we'll keep this. Now it also looks like I have good pads on here. The tyres, however, the front one is just holding on there. It's a Ritchey Z Max, what is it, Megabyte? Yeah, Ritchey Megabyte Z Max. The wheels are mismatching. Got an XC Comp front and a Deore LX rear, so I'm going to switch the wheels out so I've got a matching pair, because I always like that. With some Exage hubs, Araya rims, and some Schwalbe CityJet tyres. Yeah, the pads look pretty good on the rear as well. That bolt has rounded, as I found with a few of these. So I'm going to try and take the whole drive side cup, non-drive side even, off to get it out. Oh wow, it is a sealed Yikes. Oh, wow. Again, second one that snapped on me on these park tools. Useless. Alright, no tools, just a bolt and a nakadaki. There you go. Just to clean the threads out. It's only a cheap one, it's a cyclist tools. Nice clean threads. Why is it so tight? Yeah, I found the issue with the rivet for the cable guide. Now it goes in smooth, just filed it down a little bit. It was just obstructing it and just pushing it off centre. Snip. Oh, sweet. 232s. 232s. Well, that headset is really worn. No. Now I need a set of black Zoom 130 bars for something else, so I'm gonna steal these 150s because they're the closest I can find at the moment, and stick some Ritchey bars on this. I'll take them. and you can have these. What torque is that on? Always gotta guess which size these are, because I forget. If it fits. That rear wheel needs to be aligned. What happened then? There we go. Well, I feel like I underestimated actually how small this frame is on this bike. It's all running now. There's no more juddering of that front fork. Everything spins smoothly. I've even adjusted that rear wheel, just tweaked the tension slightly, just a sort of an easy way of doing it, just in the frame. But yeah, it rolls smooth, it rides smooth. Just need to clean up the frame a little bit, and I might have to sell it. Yeah, I'm going to ride it around a little bit this week, throwing some footage of that, but it is very, very small. I underestimated how small. We'll see though, we'll see. Torv is getting a little grumpy, waiting for me, so I'm going to head inside now, but that was just a little service of this, and probably a little ride after. And yeah, it is a nice find, but I think it's too small, unfortunately. Very nice kit on it as well. Oh, we'll see. Fingers crossed, but hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe and all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.